So as I was saying that next we have another standalone session. It is Harvesting DEFI Yields, a roadmap for untraditional structured products. For that, I'd like to invite Mr. Oliver von Wolff to come onto the stage here.
Hi, hello everyone. So yeah, my name you already heard. My name is Oliver von Wolff. Not many people in this room, and I have from the beginning to apologize a bit. Do we have also my presentation? So originally my partner supposed to do this presentation, he got sick and he just asked me last evening, do you want to do it? Yeah, and I said, okay, let me try. So it's more commercial now, not so much technical. But I have a question to you, maybe to wake you up also. You had the first coffee. It's close to 12. I know food is coming soon. So, but we heard something about AI. So my question would be for all of you, what is not really possible to buy by money? Yes, very good. Number one, what else is not to buy by money? Someone else has an idea? Maybe someone in the last line, they look a bit sleepy. Health, yeah, health also. A famous Hollywood star said once, you know, if you lose money, it means nothing. If you lose health, it means something. If you lose yourself, your character, it means all. So what else? Someone else has an idea? Health, love? Exactly, reputation. And reputation is the proverb which I looked for because I'm trying to be legacy. This sounds crazy, but what do I mean with this? Helion Capital is a company, we're looking for projects and products which are unique. I was number 3 in Europe, issuing a full regulated Bitcoin ETN to the German stock market. We failed, not because of me, because of our lawyer. Yeah, so we sued him. We got 1.5 million US dollar back. Was good for us finally. Yeah. So then I was number 1 in Dubai. I make the DMCC Crypto Center. I incubated the first 1,200 blockchain and crypto companies in Dubai. I said, okay, what doing next? So in here I'm starting with the last speaker had this topic about AI. 2018 we start developing health tech. And everyone here who has a Dubai visa, please hands up. Everyone hands up who has a Dubai visa. You all used our health AI technology since 2018. We were the one who designed for Sheikh Mohammed's office an AI technology. All the X-rays you're doing for visa, new visa applications or prolongation of visas, you're using our AI technology. So then I was thinking, okay, originally I'm an investment banker. So what we can do in this field? So, and then I found actually, where's my presentation? Hello? I thought they're faster than me. I gave them like 5 minutes extra. So these are all unique things. Yeah. And this is something what is very rare to buy and very rare to invest. We get every month approximately 200 projects by Helion Capital, and most of them are copy-paste projects. We, by Helion Capital, we're looking for the unique ones because we want to give our investors the opportunity to invest in something what has been not existed before in the market. So, and if the presentation comes, I would like to show you one of these projects. Otherwise, I just will continuing. Something's happened. Do I have the possibility to switch? I don't want to borrow the people here so much. Yeah, I try to make it a bit more interesting. So before lunch, so that not people leaving. So, yep. So Acro Capital. And now we're coming to the topic, harvest DeFi yields. My idea was I want to build the first AI optimization platform for portfolio theory. When I was a little boy, I learned Markowitz, up and down, portfolio asset management, and I thought, okay, why not putting AI there? I mean, everyone has already the X-rays in AI, why not putting there? So then we start developing by Acro Capital exactly this kind of technology. To be honest, we are not where we're supposed to be. This is the point by technical projects, but we're doing our best. And we're already an output of this. So we start developing. I don't know this presentation, please forgive me. So maybe first of all, what is DeFi? In opposite of the normal banking system. Someone of the people know something here? Okay, normal banking system is centralized. DeFi banking system is decentralized. That's the main opposites of it. So the DeFi space, by mind, has last year approximately 119 billion for assets. Until 2031, it will be approximately 2 billion under assets. So it's a huge opportunity, it's a huge market which will grow. And now everyone thinks, oh, come on, again, someone with blockchain and crypto. I understand, but you will see in a couple of years, this will be part of the Standard & Poor's index in the US. Because time goes on, developing goes on, and we're trying to work on one of these innovation features here. So this I want to show you. From Wall Street to blockchain, adoption structure project for DeFi. So we were thinking everyone can do DeFi. Yeah, so principally, if you have a cryptocurrency in your wallet, you can connect this wallet with a vault. It's a kind of platform in DeFi, and then you can harvesting yields out of this platform. And most likely we're talking about between 5 to 1,000%. I have many friends that are coming to me, Oliver, you're offering only per year 20 to 40%, but I can make 1,000. And I say, yes, you can, but the difference between you and me is you are a private person and you take the risk. You go maybe with $500 in, but I have investors, I'm a responsible person for my investments. So I have to give them a secured environment. They said, aha, okay, Markowitz, chance is always bigger than the risk. Okay, let's see. So we created, principally, it's a kind of automated platform. So this is how it looks today, yeah. So I'm not happy with the, let's say, with the outfit, but let me explain to it. So we have most likely developed 4 strategies on our platform, which everyone can use for their own wallet. And with this 4 strategy, you just connect your wallet with the strategy, and then you can generate yield of it. Why is this interesting? Let's think about all the Bitcoin miners, all the Ethereum miners, or every one of you who has a crypto wallet. Someone has a crypto wallet? 1, 2, 3, 4. Or I tell you a secret, you are the bad guy in the financial industry, yeah? Okay, so why they don't like us? Because we're offering different products, what they have. But Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Deutsche Bank, UBS tried to do the same since 10 years. They burned approximately 3.5 billion, and I just burned 1.5 million. It's not so bad, I would say. And still they're trying to buy us. This is how I came to it. A friend came and said, Oliver, I have here something unique. I said, oh, come on, not the next unique piece. He said, no, really, check it. So a friend of mine, actually the AI Institute from the MIT in the US is his name. He said, okay, Oliver, let's have a look on this. I will check this. Is this AI, something to do with AI? I give you money. And I said, okay, let's check this out. And it went out, it is something unique. So I went to a couple banks, and they never tell me, okay, here, nice product, you have a check. Please do it, I want to be partner. After the 3rd meeting, they said, okay, how much does it cost? And then I said, you know, why should I sell you $1 billion, a unique product, a next unicorn coming to the market? Why should I sell this to you? I do it by myself. So I put the team together, and now we're doing it by ourselves. So what you see here, we have here, it's not happy with this, but we have most likely 4 different strategies. And the prime allocation fund is the first DeFi regulated product in Luxembourg. Unique, legacy. This is for what we're looking for. We are number 1 in the market having such a product. So it means all classical financial investors can go to their bank and say, here's the ISIN number, and I want to invest in this product. Fully regulated by the Luxembourg authorities as an ISIN number, worldwide accepted. Yeah, so, and that's the first unique product which we will build. It's in the formation. I think we're going online in like 1 to 2 weeks, and we will start marketing this product. So we have now the first DeFi full regulated product. Yeah. So on this prime allocation fund invests in these 4 strategies automatically. It's an automatic platform. Our AI technology in the background is learning, and we have 100% principal protection because the AI already knows. We had it running over the last 2 years. Yeah, with 10 million of our own money. I'm not risking the money of some investors. And we make, even with Luna crash, FTX crash, we make 22%. Unfortunately, not per month, but per year. And for institutional investors in this time, it's a lot of money, in my opinion. It's more than a lot of equity companies make, a lot of traders making with their products, a lot of other funds doing this, is like ETFs. Let me show a bit more. Yeah, why Accro is a bit boring. I jump over it, yeah. So our solution is, more or less, we are non-custodial, but we are fully audited by PricewaterhouseCoopers. Drag and drop interface. There are 3 different layers on it. We have a layer for traders. They can do their own strategy on this platform. And then we have a white label platform. It means I just take Goldman Sachs or Emirates, NBD, whoever. They can come to us and say, okay, I want to build my own products in DeFi. I want to have regulated products. They get a white label platform. No one outside ever will see it. It's our products, our technology, but they can use it principally. We have power as SDK API. Yeah, so we can implement automatic investment strategy, efficient movements of using a robust AP. And this is a bit how it looks like. Here's the Helion Capital InnoVault. This is where I put my money in. It's safe. I make every year easily with my crypto 21%, yeah, or without risk. We have a risk scoring implemented. There's a kind of chart. I mean, this is more like a bit fancy done, yeah, but principally we have all these numbers also live. So our vaults. What is a vault? Anyone has an idea? Maybe the crypto people know what is a wallet, but what is a vault? No one? Okay. What? Yeah. So if you have, it's a kind of dishwasher. So principally you have a lot of wallets, cups, knives, forks, all those kind of things, and then you put it in a dishwasher, you close it, and this is a vault. It's more or less a protected environment, yeah, which has an inside circle. It's not accessible from outside, and this means the money which you deploy is safe. But non-custodial, it means your crypto, whatever, still stays in your wallet. You can take it out whenever you want, yeah. So it means your assets are safe. And that's the most important thing, because everyone says all the time, oh, you know, maybe I lost my wallet, I lost this, I heard this many times. Yeah, but principle, we created an environment where your money is safe. It's a kind of dishwasher. It's a kind of closed cycle what we're offering to our customers. So we have different strategies. We have high yield strategies. You can make 20 to 30% per year. We have the Helion InnoVault, where I put my money in. It's more conservative. It's between 16 to 21%. And then we have our money market vault. That's like a saving book. It's very safe. So it's like 5 to 6% per year. Yeah, this is something how it shows how it works. Yeah. So this is the prime allocation fund, for example. We have different assets group in which we're investing in it, and they all get then like covered by the prime allocation fund. And now everyone thinks, okay, still crypto and blockchain. Yes, but we have a full onboard of fiat currencies in Luxembourg. So if you go to your bank and say, this is the ISIN number, I want to invest in this, yeah, Then your bank gives the ISIN number, you do the bank transfer to the Luxembourg fund. Yeah, is it fully regulated? We are by Citibank Global, Citibank International. Yeah, we do on and offboarding there. We are fully accepted, having bank accounts there. So we also can on and offboard now fiat without the investor really understand the backside of the product, because it is secured. And that's more safe as you put your money in ETF or TN, yeah, because we can guarantee you that your money will be still there, even in bad times, let's say. And that's all AI driven. These are the products what we have. Not so interesting, yeah, all driven strategy. Let's put it a bit together. So this is our vision. We want to be number one in the market for AI and automotive optimized portfolio allocations. Yeah, and this on what we're working for. And we're offering also to customers, potential customers, you can just try it. Yeah, we're not forcing you. You don't have to pay anything. You can come, you can think what kind of strategy you want, and we can make you a tailor-made solution exactly to your risk allocation and to your, let's say, profit allocation, what you would like to get. Of course, also like in different asset class, we can split. We got now announced and listed on one of the biggest European fund portals. Yeah, we will be listed as the first, but they don't say DeFi because they don't like the word. Because institutional investors, they still think that's a bad thing. So digital, okay, then we are digital. If this is the magic word for doing this, okay. That's our team. Surprisingly, this is not a startup. Yeah. That's me, you know me already, I talk a lot. Amin El-Azhar, he make from Microsoft partly of the AI technology in a very early stage. Then we have Deepak, he's an AI specialist and architect from India. He has a lot of experience, over 100 companies in AI, set it and exit. Then we have some younger people, marketing, business development, marketing manager. Ali Al-Shafri is our CFO, he's from Canada. Bas Kollmann is one of our strategic investors from a hedge fund in Luxembourg, who we're developing all these innovating products together. Ralph Musgrove is also one of the very early stage in AI and Microsoft, like 1994, something like this, so very old. Dulmas Mara is also like a startup entrepreneur with a couple exits already successfully, also IT and innovation. And Wilma Auweider is one of our board members as well. So that's more or less who we work. That's our strategic partners. Eon Capital, that's principally me. Then we have DH Capital, it's our hedge fund, which we have in Luxembourg with approximately, we do every year like 20 to 30 products for institutional investors. And we have like 6 to 7 own products. Now we're just launching our first esports fund for GCC. Merlin is they're doing the rating behind us and the accounting. So in the platform, you press the button and you get automatically all kind of analysis. It's a pity it's not shown here, but it's very, very innovative. I like it very much. Because in a lot of these platforms, from accounting perspective, how do I get the numbers out? So we have a nice solution for this as well developed. Circle, everyone knows Circle. Exante is the European platform. They have over, I think, 2,000 funds there, and we will be one of the exclusive listed products there from March. And Fireblocks. Fireblocks, they're doing on-off ramps for blockchain and crypto solutions. So I hope it was not so boring. How much time? Mostly 12 o'clock, I'm not so bad. So, but I would like to ask if someone has questions to this. Yes, please. A very interactive man. I like this. So now comes a critical question. Maybe I shouldn't be so positive.
You mentioned the numbers, 15 to 20%, I think, right? Return on investment during 1 year time. It's quite impressive at these times, right? But you also, one word that you mentioned is not risky. Isn't no two words that triggered to me something is not very right. What do you say?
So this is on the way is Sharia conform. It's not lending and borrowing, yeah, all our product. And that's actually okay, we say AI. What is AI? It's automotive. Everything mostly what people tell, a couple months ago, we have this headquarters here in Dubai, with people running around. We had, I don't know, metaverse and all those kind of things coming up and down. And now it's AI technology. Now we have AI in healthcare, we have AI, and even people never have done AI. They are from one moment to the other when AI specialists. That's the reason why I said this beginning, Dubai is working with our AI technology already. So we have been proven we can do this. Our team is able to do this. So coming back to your question, we're using this technology. We have over 2,000 protocols and the AI and the database is huge. And the AI is following each trade. And as soon as there's a marker of risk, it takes out. And this happened in milliseconds. In, out, risk, wrong indicator, zack, out. A global context, it's amazing. If you see the data running, it's like a matrix, yeah, you cannot follow really by eyes anymore. But we developed this now over 3.5 years. And that's why I believe we are one of the market leaders in the future. No one, and I know, we get a lot of automated DeFi platforms. If I look to them compared to what we have, it's kindergarten, because it's just a trading platform. And it doesn't matter if it's a commodity trading platform, is it like a currency platform, it's all the same, they just put a DeFi name over it. But we really have the first automated DeFi platform, which can eliminate risk. Of course, if you come to me and say, Oliver, I want to have a high risk product, I want to have 1,000% per month. Okay, no principal protection, I would say, yeah. But principally, we are able to build this, but the products which we build for institutional investors, and we want, of course, the banking system will change. Everything change in the future. But the most important thing is, from a technology point of view, that we're developing technologies which are adaptable by the traditional industries. So what we're trying to do, I don't want to be the one who's changing the bank system. It will change automatically because requirement, needs, demands will change of the population. So of course it will change. But I want to be the first one who is developing the products that the bank comes to me and says, Oliver, I like what you have, can I use it? So I want to help them in their transmission, yeah, in their transformation from, let's say, I bring you your check card with this motorbike, what we have in Dubai, yeah, to something new, something digital, something which is unique and is not existing. Yeah, unfortunately, mostly young startup banks they're seeing this need, and the big ones, they say, okay, I'm sitting on so much money, I'm waiting until the right technology comes, and then I try to buy. Now, for me, coming back to this, I want to do legacy. So it means I don't want to sell. Yeah, because I want to do it by myself. I want to see this product running. I want to see our products running, and I want to make, as I did it with the regulated Bitcoin ETF in Europe, as I did it with the DMCC crypto space or whatever. I want to do this by myself, and that's a different. Yeah, to the most of the startup people you're coming, or most investors, they're investing in something, and then they're not following up. We as an accelerator, we have to know what we're doing. We're a venture builder. I invest only in companies where now I can bring additional value with my people and my network, and that's a huge difference to all other ones. So we're not deploying money, we're really investing money. And I put money in this company, and I want that this is flying. And this is how you get legacy. Because we know already the product which we have is exactly what banks need. They don't have a white label platform for automated DeFi products or AI. They don't have. Welcome, come to me, we sit on a table, but I will not sell it to you. Not now. One more question? This other gentleman here on the right side, please. I can hear you.
I'll get it to you, don't worry.
Thank you. So you're saying banks actually come to you for using your platform, and then you also have your own funds that you're offering, which give a principal guarantee and a 16 and 21% yield annually. Wouldn't that cannibalize their core?
How do I increase the value of my company? Proof.
Okay,
Proof.
fair enough.
Yeah. If you say to me, Oliver, you can fly to the moon, I say yes, and you say to me, proof it's difficult. Here's the proof. We have our own regulated product in Luxembourg. It's one of the highest regulation markets in the world. Yeah, it's there regulated. We have our strategy. It is working. Yeah, on top. Otherwise, I couldn't regulate it.
Of course.
Yeah. So it's a proof of concept, and that every investor should ask for this. Where's the proof of concept? Because if I don't have a proof of concept, then what do I put my money then?
So just one more question there. So you've
Yes.
got institutional clients. Do you have retail also?
We have, as I said, our platform is like in three layers. One layer is for, let's say, traders, algorithm traders most likely. This was originally the concept of the platform before we bought it out. Yeah. So we said, okay, if we have something unique, they didn't understood what they have. You know, getting 1,000 algo traders on it doesn't make me rich. Okay, I don't want to be rich, but what I want to do is legacy. So I thought, why are we not doing this for institutional investors? This is the biggest market. I need only one institutional investor on this platform, and it's more than 1,000 algo traders. So let's make a product for these people, for the next generation of banking, for the next generation of banking products, because this is the future. And this is what we're trying to do. I hope it's answering your question.
Yep, thank you.
You're welcome. Maybe we have one more question. Silence. Now here. Oh, the lady. Oh, that's nice. Please. Okay.
Hard to find a gentleman these days. I know. I found several in this conference. It's a very, very peaky, your list of guests.
Thanks so much.
How do you do, Oliver, to convince the banks? Because in the end, I work in the crypto space, so I'm one of the bad ones, right? And for us, it's been easier to talk with governments, actual ministers, presidents, regulators. They want to listen to what we have to say in order to prevent drug dealing, terrorism, and other bad things happening into the crypto space. But banks, they prefer bankruptcy before speaking with someone that doesn't own a proper shirt and a tie. So in the end, we're seeing, for example, in Latin America, where it's my center of expertise, we're seeing banks that are shutting down their entire marketing programs for this year. We know that means that they have a major loss, because otherwise they will be promoting themselves. And they are not open to this kind of products, even though it would bring them larger income than the one they've been having in the region in the last 5 or 10 years. So how are you doing it? From the top, talking to the owners, or how?
Yes, that's I mean, that's a bit of a wide question. So my family, since the 15th centuries, we are bankers. My uncle was president of the SEC on the London Stock Exchange, on the New York Stock Exchange. So we are bankers since a long time. So you have still this classical banking. I'm original investment banker. Brazil, New York, Frankfurt. So yeah, and then I decided, okay, I want to be the black sheep in the family. I want to do something else. So, but of course, this knowledge I took with me, and if I do an IPO, it's principally the same. You know, if you understand the algorithm and the principle and the process is principally the same. So coming back to this question, I think because of the over-regulation in the banking part, yeah, especially, for example, in Europe and the US, they missed getting new banks from the bottom up. So what you have now is only system-relevant banks, and they should not go bankruptcy because otherwise the whole country goes bankruptcy. Yeah. So the state put more and more money in the bank getting more and more bigger, but they should go the opposite way. They should deregulate the banking market, that we get more startups, more innovative banks, more young people into the space, coming with different ideas, yeah, instead of protecting existing things. I'm not saying taking away the regulation. And I really like what Dubai is doing here. First of all, they didn't regulate anything. They just say, let it grow. And now when they see there's growing, they're trying to regulate in smart parts, not to break the business. Yeah. So, and I think this is the right approach. But of course, also Dubai, I don't know, over 200 banks in Dubai. Yeah. A lot of them, as I said, they bring you the check card in the motorbike. Yeah. So, but then they come with a pad with fingerprint, Emirates ID, you know, all kind of stuff to check you. So this market will change because it's not efficient. And everything what is not efficient, it is in a competition, will die. And thanks God, or sorry, I should not mean God, maybe thanks Allah. Yeah, but thanks, we have this environment in Dubai, yeah, that we have still startup banks here. Like Vio Bank is coming, Sand Bank is coming. So we have startups here, new banks, and they are open to this. And in one point, they will also understand from a regulation side, okay, I don't know if this will be the central bank, DWTC, or it's coming from VARA, or wherever it's coming from. But then they will understand, okay, what is good for business? This is what we have to do. And this is why Dubai is a unique place. And this is what I like on Dubai, because still, if you have a unique idea, you can go exactly to these authorities and say, look, I have something. I want to do something. Help me. And you get this help. And I can say this, we work on a other product in health tech. For example, we want to make UAE breast cancer free, yeah, with a new product. And we go to ADNOC. Last week we met Sheikh Nahyan in Abu Dhabi, and people are really interested here, bringing right technologies and the right developments to their country. Yeah. So, and I think this is something what makes Dubai. This is something what makes the UAE. This is the hotspot. This is what was the US in the 80s, and that's the difference. And that's the reason I believe that this area will prosper, and the dinosaurs, they will die. We had one more question, a last one, and then let them go to lunch.
Yeah, thank you. I just had a quick question on the non-custodial nature of the platform, and how do you guys integrate it with DeFi protocols and still be able to get regulations? Since most DeFi protocols, at least the way they operate, are very tough to regulate, or some are almost impossible to regulate. So in terms of the platform and being non-custodial, how does the platform work for institutional investors and also for traders?
Yeah, good. I'm not a technical guy. I try to answer this as good as possible. I'm happy to take your contact details, putting you together with our Chief Innovation Officer who developed the platform, and he will answer your all questions. So, principally, I'm always a guy for very transparency and honesty, because I'm not perfect. So, as I said, I'm not a technical guy. Non-custodian is because we don't take your crypto wallet to us. You can keep it. Always stay in your wallet, and your wallet is just connect with the dishwasher, with the washing machine. Yeah. So it means you always have access to it. You always can take it out. It's not blocked or something like this. So you still control your assets. Yeah. And this is why it's non-custodian. We were already live with this platform. We had to shut it down because VARA came. Everyone said to me, oh, go to Abu Dhabi, go to Bahrain. I said, no, I'm staying here. I'm not afraid about regulations. I will do it. So we took it down. Of course, we start developing more products for the platform. And now we're looking for the brokerage license for the VARA. Yeah, so we are on this huge line of getting something, yeah. So, but yes, we are happy to take this. We want to be regulated because we want that people have a good feeling when they work with us. That's important thing, in my opinion, because still economy is based on trust. Yeah, and we see this in many other fields. When people don't trust the government or the economy, then they go other ways. And we want people to trust us, and part of to be trustable is to get the VARA license here for Dubai. And I'm not changing the place of my living when I'm happy here and just make a statement for Dubai just to get something done without a license. But happy to take and connect and he will explain you everything in detail. Okay. Oh, he's okay. It was very nice meeting you. Thank you very much for your attention and for your time.